front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then, to add an audio file first, you need to click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files and look for your audio one by clicking on one of those apps, selecting Audio at the top, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files. And if your video is recent, tap on it over here. If it's not, you can select Folders, look for it over here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!